What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to talk about AMC, GME as well as the broader market, and after that we're going to check the options flow for it. So as we know, today the SPY went down just after the Fed came out and they announced they might increase the interest rate a little bit earlier than what they were expecting in the past, because inflation is getting serious, which tanked the SPY from all-time high. So now, just in my personal opinion, I think this is just a buy the dip opportunity that we are having. But this kind of a sell-off can keep going on for 1 or 2 days. But I think this is not going to be going any further from here onwards, because there is nothing major news out there for creating any kind of a significant sell-off in the SPY. As we can see over here, for the broader market, majority of the stocks were down. GameStop was down 19%. AMC was down almost 10%. A lot of the stocks got beaten down really badly today. Stocks like Enphase was down 12%, Nvidia was down 6%, Coinbase was down almost 7%, and the volatility index went up almost 12%. Now let's have a look at the options flow for the SPY. Now, as we can see in the options flow, there are a lot of whales, those who are actually betting that the SPY is going to go down from here onwards. They are buying very heavy puts into the SPY. There was nothing majorly to be worried about what was announced by the Fed today, but still the SPY is tanking. As we can see over here, somebody bought a $435 put with 12,000 contracts, which is going to expire on the 28th of January 2022. This is extremely bearish bet some individual is betting. There is another one for $458 put with 12,000 contracts again. $465 put for 8,000 contracts. So a lot of people are on the bearish side for these SPY. We just have to wait and see how it's going to play out. Now let's come over to AMC. Today the stock was down for almost 10.75%. The average volume on AMC is 42.14 million, but today it was around 44.97 million. Just imagine, if the volume would have been low on a day like this, AMC could have gone down to very low levels. Investors are still buying the dip on AMC. Now, like I have mentioned in my previous video, the market maker are basically trying to hedge this wild position which is in the money. These are over 101,831 contracts still in the money. This kind of options in the money can create a extreme level of gamma squeeze in AMC. The price can go to unimaginable numbers. So this is the main position they are trying to bet. That's why the stock price is going down significantly day after day, because they want to get a lot of people out of the money. Still have a lot of time on them. 21st of January is still far away. Now same thing over here for GME. GME has a very small float as compared to AMC. So over here 11,945 contracts in the money is a lot as well. Now AMC is a real threat to the market maker. So that's what happening on their side. They have to hedge this position. That's why they are trying their level best to keep the price down, so that when they start covering up their short position, they don't have to buy the shares from a very high price. Now let's have a look at the options flow for AMC. So by looking at the options flow for AMC, I can see people are still selling puts on AMC. They're trying to collect some premium out of it. Some of the individuals are buying straight up put as well. This was one of them. It's a very huge contract, 1,507 for a $28 put. So at this point, nothing is actually making sense in AMC. We just have to wait and see how low this is gonna go before the market makers start covering their short positions. So as we know, the GameStop was down 13%. The average volume on GME is 2.36 million, but today it was around 3.38 million, which was almost similar to the AMC as well, a slight bit over the average volume that was coming into both of the stocks. This is like a buying opportunity for a lot of individuals. So GME has gone down quite a bit, $129.37 at the close. Now let's have a look at the options flow for GameStop. So by looking at the options flow, I can say that people are still doing their regular. They are selling the puts on GameStop. There are not many heavy whales in GameStop as compared to AMC. Big whales are not betting on GameStop to go down from here onwards. There are some of the put contracts into GameStop, but these are not that heavy contracts as compared to what we have in AMC. There is no clear-cut indication coming out of the options flow for both AMC as well as GME. Hope so you like my video. Please like and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Cheers.